QuickBooks is a powerful tool designed to streamline your business finances, and that absolutely includes payroll. Paying your employees by check within QuickBooks is a straightforward process once you know the steps. It ensures accurate record keeping, helps you stay compliant with payroll regulations, and makes tax time a whole lot less stressful. Think about it. Manually writing checks, calculating deductions, and then trying to track everything in a spreadsheet? That's a recipe for errors and headaches. QuickBooks takes care of the heavy lifting, automatically calculating taxes, deductions for things like health insurance or retirement contributions, and ensuring everything is properly documented. So, if you're ready to ditch the manual check writing and embrace the efficiency of QuickBooks Payroll, let's dive in. We're going to walk through the entire process step by step, so you can confidently pay your employees by check and get back to focusing on what you do best, running your business. First things first, we need to make sure you've already set up your payroll in QuickBooks. This involves entering your company information, employee details, including their pay rates and withholding information, and connecting your bank account. If you haven't done this yet, I highly recommend checking out QuickBooks' excellent resources on initial payroll setup. It's a crucial first step, and getting it right from the beginning will save you time and potential headaches down the line. Assuming your payroll is all set up, here's how you actually pay your employees by check in QuickBooks. Step 1. Navigate to the Employees tab. On your QuickBooks homepage or in the left-hand navigation menu, you'll find an Employees tab. Click on this. This is your central hub for all things related to your team. Step 2. Select Pay Employees. Within the Employees tab, you'll see a few options. Look for and click on Pay Employees. This will open the Pay Employees window, where you'll manage your current payroll run. Step 3. Choose the pay period and pay date. At the top of the Pay Employees window, you'll see fields for the pay period ends, date, and the check date. Make sure these dates are accurate. The pay period ends date signifies the last day of the period your employees are being paid for, and the check date is the date that will appear on the physical checks. Step 4. Select the employees you want to pay. You'll see a list of your active employees in the Pay Employees window. Simply check the box next to each employee you want to include in this payroll run. QuickBooks will automatically pull in their regular pay information based on their setup. Step 5. Review and enter hours if applicable. For salaried employees, their regular pay will likely populate automatically. However, if you have hourly employees, you'll need to enter the number of hours they worked during the specified pay period. You can usually do this directly in the hours column next to their name. If an employee has overtime, vacation time, or sick leave, you'll also enter those hours in the corresponding columns. Step 6. Add deductions and contributions if necessary. QuickBooks will automatically calculate pre-tax and post-tax deductions, like health insurance premiums or 401k contributions, based on each employee's setup. However, if you need to make any manual adjustments for this specific pay period, perhaps a one-time bonus or a change in a deduction amount, you can do so by clicking on the employee's name. This will open a detailed paycheck window where you can review and edit all the components of their pay. Step 7. Preview paychecks. Before finalizing anything, it's crucial to review the paychecks to ensure accuracy. In the Pay Employees window, you should see a Preview Paycheck button or a similar option. Click this to see a detailed breakdown of each employee's gross pay, deductions, taxes, and net pay. Double-check the hours, pay rates, deductions, and the final amount. This is your last chance to catch any errors before printing the checks. Step 8. Select Print Checks. Once you're confident that everything looks correct, it's time to print the checks. In the Pay Employees window, look for a button that says Print Checks or something similar. Clicking this will open the printing options. Step 9. Configure your printer settings. You'll need to configure your printer settings to ensure the checks print correctly on your pre-printed check stock. QuickBooks usually provides guidance on how to align your checks with your printer. Make sure you select the correct paper source and adjust any necessary margins or alignment settings. It's always a good idea to do a test print on a blank piece of paper first to avoid wasting your valuable check stock. Step 10. Print the checks. Once your printer is configured, go ahead and print the checks. Make sure the ink is clear and the information is legible. Step 11. Record the check numbers in QuickBooks. After the checks have printed successfully, QuickBooks will prompt you to enter the check numbers associated with each employee. This is a vital step for maintaining accurate records. Enter the check numbers in the designated fields and click OK or Finish. Step 12. Distribute the checks and file your records. Now, you can distribute the checks to your employees. Make sure to keep a record of when and to whom each check was given. QuickBooks will also store a digital record of these payments, which will be essential for payroll tax filings and year-end reporting. And that's it. You've successfully paid your employees by check using QuickBooks. It might seem like a few steps, but once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a quick and efficient process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.